Why are there not more people talking about this? A chief officer role on a Mediterranean RoRo vessel is up for grabs. This special role is for EU chief officers with experience from any maritime background, even cruise vessels. You'll earn $6,500 per month, sailing under the Italian flag, with routes that keep you close to home. Contracts are crystal clear: 3 months on board, 2 months at home, and pension contributions fully covered. Yes, while you work, you're building your future with EU social security benefits. To make your life at sea easier, we've prepared an Italian phrase booklet. Download it from the description and start practicing today. Ready to jump on board? Register at candina.crewinspector.com and apply now. No placement fees, no hidden costs. Set sail with Candina, where your next contract is waiting for you.